Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, so I just went to Horrocks, which is like this giant grocery store near us that has like all the things and also has like all these extra like foodie sort of things. First of all, I didn't realize how big their Dutch department was, but that totally makes sense based on where I live and who came to this part of the country. Anyway, so Marcella, you should tell me if there's anything that you saw in the video that I need to buy, or is it just crap that we're like, oh, it's Dutch, but really it's just crap, like, you know, gas station food? I don't know. I mainly went for one thing, nutritional yeast. I realized I'm out. I can't make Bert's beans on toast without nutritional yeast. How can I be out? But I am. Which is mainly because I think I didn't use it fast enough and it ended up tossing it. I also did see molasses there, which I was also going to get for this bean situation. However, it was really expensive and I literally will only use it for this thing. So I have opted to skip the molasses, but the nutritional yeast, that is a must. That adds a whole bunch of flavor. Damn it, someone just came in next to me. I was so embarrassed to be talking to my phone. Anyway, that adds a lot of flavor that just can't be left out. I got a bunch of other stuff I didn't need, vegan snacks and other things that were international and seemed delicious, or that were homemade and seemed delicious, or like not homemade, but like bakery-ish. I'm now off to, oh, rewind. They also didn't have mince pies. Are you surprised? And now I am off to see a play with my cousin.